Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by saving work and closing programs. That protects files while you fix the taskbar. Open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+ESC, find Windows Explorer, and choose Restart. This often unfreezes the taskbar immediately. Once done, make sure to observe whether icons and start open normally. If Explorer won't restart or system is unresponsive, reboot into safe mode and continue there, because safe mode loads minimal drivers and isolates third-party conflicts. After restarting Explorer, you run integrity checks to repair corrupt system files, open an elevated PowerShell and run sfc/scano, wait until it finishes and note any errors. Next, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the component store, which fixes deeper Windows image problems that can affect the taskbar. While those run, review recent Windows updates and device drivers. If the freeze started after an update, make a note to roll back the offending driver or uninstall the update. You finish by isolating user profile issues and performing recovery steps. Create a new local admin account and sign in. If the taskbar works there, your original profile is corrupted, migrate data, and remove the bad profile. If not, use System Restore to roll back to a known good point or perform an in-place repair install to preserve apps and files. If those fail, use Windows Reset and choose Keep My Files. Troubleshooting tip: if a step stalls, boot into Recovery and run commands from there to avoid partial changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.